tell him.
Kero machiegni ahinya FCP Bernard Siero kama bete jalony weche mag uchumi ineno gik ma jogi dwaro bedo katimo. Debed ni jalony weche uchumi mantiere kuku mar telo mar Kenya Kwanza ema plan olal negi koso en gima pek mar ngimani. Nowach ni mai gima girakore godo e thuolo mar higa mokwongo. Nowach ni ero bang' ndalo 90 100 days gig moro madhi bedo kata katimo lokruok mopogore opogore. Sana giwacho ni ero debed ni plan ni molal koso jolonye ma ponono nokoyude yo makare inene yo machalo nade.
Ero kamano Cleopas. Korka ng'iye ingine an issue of priority kaka serikali oketo priority mare. Nikech king'iyo constitution mara is very clear. Chapter 12 ma deal with public finance. Magata king'iyo article 201 gilos about principles of public finance. Ma part of it and watch like equity in the kind of taxation, tax burden. Talking about issue of tax ni has been a major issue. To kina economist mantiere kanyogo kotende gi jatende gi David Ndigi ging'eyo very well the very basics of gimoluongo ni canons of taxation. Yeah, and a well-established area from the time Adam Smith in economics mano biro with that those canons. Mano way back 1776. The 4 canons of taxation. Of course, in terms of economics, I just mentioned the first 4. The first is equity. Equity in taxation. There should be issue of certainty in the tax, convenience, and economy. Tax system again, Onego be achieve gigi or achieve the intended purpose. Inyalo medo taxes ndio to be the achieve the purpose made warocha. Man is a big debate more masani wango. Kanye ng'iyo figures ata bakere no golo. You are in no targets ma giketo cha podo gi achieve. Now yet wasekelo nangono waketo chike ma medo taxes.
Ma medo choko usuru.
Koro en gimo no bene ng'iyo the state of the economy. Economy perform nadi. Mondo ging'e ni taxation should be a function of the production, the economy. The economy is not producing as much. To kata get law, get to check. Nim ido arpa sama kama. Ibo ido nande. Koro gimanyaka ji chakre gigite chakre en production. Kaka how do we increase the production, the GDP? Ka economy obedo expanded, to ido nangono onyalo ido or increase the taxes. In fact, ibo ido some theories the economists suggest gani your the supply side of economics. They don't suggest cut in tax to stimulate the economic growth. Then eventually, long term, you still get more taxes. Yeah. So, what they call immediate effect, immediate term. I made the rate. But yes, you made the rate, you may not get that. You may get it, but in the long term, only with the implication. Get what you're going interior rate, Marco Chopo, Marco Kikado, optimum rate, or act in the reverse. Yeah? In fact, the more interior Lafa curve of the tax yield versus tax rate. Tax rate has increased Kochako or the Malukama. Yeah. In other words, taking absolute cases at zero, of course, zero tax, you have zero revenue. Likewise, the extreme end, the 100%, you also get zero revenue because the more he or she makes money, the more you're taxing him. Or who give incentive to work more. Likewise, the companies or the farms. Yeah.
Aya, angeni mano angidhi mana manlera. Angeni angwadhi okang machielo bende kapok wachango Ramogi matimore county. Mana kama ichope kar kanyo podi FCP Bernard Siero kato bange Tom Duka nga kelie twak. Kautene kod wechegi mano mara osuru gi choko kachel koda kabero chumi. Kadi bede thuolo ma David Ndin tiere okinyi makawuono. Lokruok mane ichako godo manyalo reso piny Kenya kata paro minyalo somo no bedo kako jolony kinde mokalo ne giwacho ni serikali ne ogigi ni mana Tom Duka wacho ni serikali ne ogigi minyalo kono. Wacho ni there's nothing you can tell this government kama osechope ni gin gidhi adhiya kamano. Paro ni nyalo bedo mane manyalo reso uchumi marwa kinde ma wantiene.
Okay. Igeni gimiro kwalo ni economic cycles, economic ka dhiga. Nitiega times of boom, times of recession. En gima dhiga kamano. To ma ok the first time magino timre kata e piny te worldwide. En gima osebedo ka timre kata different places. To the best time, sometimes my government can intervene and such when a recession or things are not working well. So the government will maybe give interventions must power up the economy. Yeah. The demand side of the economy. Okay, theory ma demand side in fact government do what increase the expenditure by coming up with some kind of interventions or give stimulus. Also better before. Well, you talk about some kind of stimulus packages in specific targeted areas. We don't want target growth. Yeah. Mondo economy mondo be malo mondi. Kore kicha kwa choni temangono increase taxes. To kicha kwa choni you don't increase taxes ani to you perform well. So actually a number of farms are closing down. So there's about relocating. Yeah. And then the pictures from the airports, but it's not encouraging. When you talk of FDI, foreign direct investments, you're getting the options. The economic environment is not conducive. He has the option over there another country. Example, what we are now seeing at the airport, you're getting very aggressive in searching for the luggages. You know, some people look at it as inconveniencing, and there are better ways of doing it. This is not the only place get tax all the other countries. There are better ways of doing it. They scan it and they only mark the ones high risk. What they can consider high risk. But it's very embarrassing. Ichopo airport, ichako yao bagini, iseto gimogolo, it's like all the very minor things, no tax. Yeah. Yeah. The better ways of managing that.
You watch bene man magbero chendo